Hey guys, I am going to show you how very easy it is to make wipes, so Thieves wipes in particular, in a container like this. You can even use an empty container like so, like a Clorox wipe. Make sure you clean it out really well though. You can use a Ziploc bag when you make these. Super easy to make. You can actually just grab your paper towels. So what you're going to do is you're going to have, so the kind of simple things you need to have for this recipe is your Thieves cleaner, some water, and citrus fresh or lemon essential oil. You're going to have paper towels. You're going to cut the paper towels in half, and say if you're using a Ziploc bag, you're going to put the paper towels, the cut piece of paper towels into your Ziploc bag and just pour the mixture over it. For this, I'm going to show you how to do it with this Omni wipe container. I got this container on Abundant Health. I've been wanting to make Thieves wipes for a really long time. I'd kind of been missing like my, Clorox wipes sort of things. Obviously not with the Clorox, but just the wipes in general. Young Living does make a hand wipe that's a Thieves wipe, so it's more of like a purse wipe. These are super easy to make. They last forever. You're gonna have a ton. I like to have them in my purse, in my car to clean up, the steering wheel, nasty things in the car. The other day I had these in my purse and I was able to clean my daughter's feet off. She was in the sandbox. She was like pitch black, just super dirty. And I don't have to worry about nasty chemicals going into her body. So I'm gonna show you how very easy it is to make. I have found that with these Costco wipes, they're actually really, really thick and absorbent. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut your paper towel rolls in half, exactly. This kind of knife works the best. I've already cut it because I don't wanna sit here and waste your time cutting this. But this is gonna be your half of your paper towel roll. You're going to stick that into your container, into your plastic bag, whatever. It's going to be a little bit more tricky to do it into something thinner like that, but it is doable. You're going to have, what I have found for these thicker wipes is you're going to need 3 cups of water. So I just use distilled water. You can use tap water if you know you're going to be using them fairly quickly. And I'm going to use just 1 capful. Maybe you could even do like a capful and then a little tiny bit more because I have more water. With regular paper towels, you can do 1 capful and 2 cups of water. So I'm going to do just a little bit over the capful. And then I'm going to add in, I really like citrus fresh. It comes in the premium starter kit. It's a blend of a bunch of different citrus oils plus spearmint. Smells amazing. Like literally the last batch that I made with citrus fresh, I was like, oh, so happy, and like just, it's such a happy oil and uplifting oil. So who doesn't want to clean with something like that? So all you're going to do is 5 drops of your citrus fresh or lemon if you want to use that. And it's not an exact science. So if you get an extra one out, no big deal. You're going to kind of mix that around just with a spoon, whatever. And then you're going to just pour it into your paper towel mixture. So I'm just going to pour it and kind of disperse it all over. Paper towels are going to soak up all that yummy goodness, and the container is going to keep it nice and moist. After you pour that in, you are going to take out the little paper towel roll thingy in the middle, and it just comes out really nicely. And the cool thing is that you've got a little starting point for your wipes. So you're going to shove the remaining back in, and then you're going to pull this through the little hole in your wipe container. So this wipe container lines up. Let's see, there's a little lip that it's going to line up with. I'll show it here in a sec. There's a little lip right here. You can see that. And you're going to push that down so that it remains, it'll pop into place. And there you have your wipes. This little guy goes over the top to keep it all nice and moist on the inside. And there you go. You've got cleaning for everything. Toilets, like I can have my kids do this, baseboards, like it'll clean every single surface in your home in a wipe that's not going to harm you. I think I talked about it in my other video that these sort of wipes, it says on here that you have to allow surface to remain wet for 4 minutes for it to do its thing. And it also says on here that it cautions you that, oh gosh, where'd it go? Wash thoroughly with soap and water after handling this product and before eating, drinking, chewing gum, using tobacco or using the toilet. So it says do not use this and go and eat, use the toilet, do anything like that because you're putting the chemicals onto your skin, okay? No, thank you. I'd much rather take 2 minutes to make these wipes. I know this video took a little longer, but just showing you how very, very, very easy this is, and I will have wipes for a really long time. You can totally even do this with your Thieves packet that comes in the starter kit. You would simply just use about a half of a tablespoon per 2 cups of water. In this case, if you have either super thick wipes, you're going to do 3 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of Thieves Cleaner packet. So hope that helped. Let me know if you guys decide to make your wipes, and let me know how you like them.